Have you ever wondered what might be hiding behind a giant waterfall? One sunny morning, 3 best friends, Emma, Noah, and Mia, set off on an adventure through the whispering forest. They thought it would be an ordinary walk. They were about to discover a secret that no one had ever seen before. The forest was alive with singing birds, colourful butterflies, and tall green trees. Emma loved exploring. Noah carried a backpack full of snacks. Little Mia collected shiny leaves. Soon they heard a loud rushing sound.
Do you hear that?
It sounds like a waterfall.
The children followed the sound deeper into the woods. At last, they reached a breathtaking waterfall. Water crashed into a sparkling pool below. Rainbows danced in the mist. As Mia looked carefully, she noticed something strange.
There!
A soft golden light glowed behind the falling water. The children looked at each other. Could there really be something hidden there? Holding hands, they carefully walked behind the waterfall. To their surprise, the light came from a beautiful cave entrance, covered with glowing blue crystals. Warm air drifted from inside. Tiny sparkling butterflies flew around them.
It looks magical.
Together they stepped inside. The cave looked like another world. Crystal flowers glowed in every colour. Friendly fireflies floated through the air. Tiny streams reflected sparkling lights across the walls. Every step echoed like gentle music. The children could not believe their eyes. They had found a place that seemed forgotten by time. Soon they reached a glowing river. There was no bridge. Suddenly, shining stones slowly rose from the water. Each stone lit up as the children stepped on it. Ping, ping. Every step played beautiful music. Laughing together, they crossed safely. At the center of the cave stood a giant crystal turtle. Its shell sparkled like diamonds. Slowly, it opened its eyes. The children froze. Then the turtle smiled warmly.
I have waited many years for kind visitors.
The turtle explained that only children who respected nature could enter the cave. The magical cave was protected by kindness, not by locks. The turtle showed them a glowing tree. Instead of growing fruit, it produced magical seeds.
Plant these wherever forests need help. Every seed will grow into a tree that protects animals and keeps rivers clean.
The children realized the greatest treasure was not gold. It was the chance to help nature. They carefully accepted the gift. As they left the cave, the glowing entrance slowly disappeared behind the waterfall. Back home, they planted the magical seeds. Soon new trees began to grow. Birds returned. Flowers bloomed. The forest became more beautiful than ever. Whenever the friends visited the waterfall again, it looked perfectly ordinary. But they knew its wonderful secret would only appear to children with kind hearts. And who knows, maybe one day it will appear for you too